Hi everyone! Today I'm going to cook Siopao Asado. So Jenny will gonna use the onion chopper. She put already the onion. Yan, para mas pino yung pagkadurog ng onion. Kaya gumamit kami ng onion chopper. Then, she will put now the garlic. So, it's easy and fast. It's better to use this grinder. Kasi mas maganda sa siopaw ilagay yung onion and garlic na pino yung paka-chop. So, very easy, no? Easy and fast. Okay, set aside muna natin. These are the ingredients of Siopao Asado. Filling, palaman sa loob ng dough. Ito na po yun. Yung soy sauce, minced garlic, water with cornstarch, cooked chicken, minced onion, brown sugar, and oyster sauce. Ayan. So, ready na natin para palaman. No? Another ingredients, 2 cups of warm milk. Then mix, let's add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then 1 1/2 active dry yeast. So let's mix all together. Stir. So we will leave that for 5 minutes. Let's make dough. I have 4 cups of flour and then 1 tablespoon baking powder. Let's mix all together. And then 3 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. So we will mix it together kasi gagawa tayo ng magandang dough. So mix, 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 mix. We will see. Ayan. Ito yung gagawin natin ay manual to. Wala kasi kaming mixer. So, kung meron, mas maganda, no? Then, let's add now the yeast with milk, warm milk. Yan. Yung sinet aside natin kanina, ihalo natin dyan sa gagawin nating dough. Yan. So, ubusin natin, no? Yan. So, let's mix. Mas maganda kung may mixer kasi iikot lang yan sa mixer. Mas maganda. Pero ito kasi wala. So we will use our hand. Ayan. So much better we'll put it on the table. So, kneading dough to make it fluffy and soft. Yan, ilagay natin. Let's put it on the table. Doon natin ilamas para mas maganda yung kinalabasan ng dough. Kapag kakainin natin siopaw, masarap, malambot, no? So, it's better to put it on the table. Hindi doon sa loob ng bowl. Kasi hindi maganda. Yan. Para yung force ng energy mo dyan sa flour. Ayan, maganda. Kasi, nasa ibabaw ng table. Oh, ayan na. Maganda na ngayon yung texture ng dough. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, ayan na. So, ready na yan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, kumuha ka ng oil, lagyan mo sa kamay mo, lagyan mo ng oil yung bowl. Then, punasan mo rin yung dough. Then, put it back in the bowl. cover with clean cloth. Yan. Then, let's wait for 2 hours. While waiting for the dough, okay, magpainit na tayo ng kaserola o kaldero. Okay, so let's put oil para igigisa natin yung palaman. So, let's put the garlic, saute garlic, yan. Then, onion, stir, fry. Yan. Maganda yung medyo golden brown ng color. Then, let's add now the chicken. Yan. Stir and fry. Ayan. Sarap. Okay, let's put the soy sauce. Next, oyster sauce. Then, let's mix, stir. Kailangan medium heat lang yung oil. Then, yung brown sugar. Haluin muna natin, no? Ganda. Then, let's add little amount of water. Para hindi lang matutong yung chicken. Kapag kumulo na yan, tatanggalin na natin, no? Let's mix first. Oh, ayan na. So, let's put now the liquid cornstarch. So, let's mix, stir. We will leave that for 3 minutes para lang kumulo-maluto yung cornstarch at saka lumapot. And then, ready na yan para sa filling ng siopaw asado. Yummy. Okay, so the dough is ready. So, let's punch so that the gas will pull out. Punch muna natin yung dough. Yan. And then, ulitin natin na i-massage ng ilang minuto. Yan. Ang ganda. Soft yung dough. Yan. So, let's put it on the table para mas maganda, no? Yan. Para ready. Then, we will cut it into half, no? Para makagawa ng siopaw. Ayan na, ready na yung fillings para sa siopaw asado. Yung boiled eggs at saka yung cooked chicken. Ayan. So, let's cut now into 2. Ayan. So, yung half, let's put it back in the bowl, cover it. Tsaka ito naman ang gagamitin natin. No? Ilang kaya magagawa nito? Yung kalahati. So, it depends on you guys. If you like big siopaw, you can adjust the dough. So, if you like medium or small, it's up to you. So, adjust lang, no? Pwedeng magdagdag, pwedeng magbawas ng dough. Ayan. Ayan na, malapit na lang matapos. Yan. So, ang gagawin na natin, gagawing bola-bola yung bawat slice ng dough. Yan. Massage muna natin. And then, pabilog. Yan. Bola-bola. So, lahat yan gagawin nating bola-bola. Yung same ang shape. Kailangan, round, no? Yan na. Okay, now let's put little bit of flour on the table and then use rolling pin to flatten the dough. So it depends on you. If you want little big siopaw, you can adjust by using the rolling pin. So adjust nyo lang yan. Paikot-ikotin. Pwede nyong i-pull para lumaki yung dough. No? Yan, ganyan. Roll na lang yung pin. So then, after that, we will put now the cooked chicken. Yan. If you like more filling, then you can adjust the amount of chicken you wanted to put inside. Yan, palaman. Then, let's get the boiled egg. Yan, konti lang. Yan. To close the siopaw, kailangan tight yung pag-close nyo ng dough. Kasi, kapag loose, mag-open yan mamaya sa loob ng steamer. Kusang magbubuka yan. So, kailangan close. Yan. Then, kunin na natin yung paper wax. Yan. Tapos, lagay natin sa steamer. Yan. So, we have now 2 siopaw. Then, let's do it again. One more. So, put filling. Then, boiled egg. So, close it again. The same. Kung ano yung pag-close nyo sa unang siopaw, ganun din yun hanggang sa pinaka-last. No? Yan. Okay, tapos na. Yan. Magpakulo na tayo ng kalahating tubig sa kaldero. Kapag hinit ng sobra, ilagay na natin yung siopaw, yung steamer, ready. Yan. Takpan natin yung lulutuin natin na takpanan. Then, let's wait until 20 minutes para maluto yan. No, huwag niyong bubuksan lang. Ayan, luto na. Patitikinin ko itong mga kasama ko. Tingnan, lagyan mo ng sauce. Tingnan natin kung anong lasa. Kasi di ko pa yan natitikman yung sauce. Sauce ng Siopao Asado. Anong lasa? Masarap? Okay lang yun, no? Thank you. Ayan, tikman mo yung ginawang Siopao Asado. May sauce yan.
Yummy.
Well, hindi nga. Ba na? Lagyan mo ng sauce. Tingnan natin.
Ala chowking.
Masarap? Hindi nga. Ito. Yan Siopao Asado. Hindi siya kuwan, hindi maalat, hindi matabang. Pwede na? Pwede na?
Pwede na ibenta.
Pwede na ibenta? Okay. Ayan na ha. Kayo na.
Gusto mag-order.
Oh, ayan na. Kayo na mismo nagsabi yung lasa. Hindi ko pa natitikmanan. Sige, thank you.
Yummy.